Hi there, here's a first look at the upcoming Realme 16x. Now this phone is coming soon and we actually have a working unit in hand. Of course, due to embargo restrictions, we can't show you the display, but I can still show you how it looks and a feel of the device. So we have the glory white color, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Matte finish, which doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Very soft to touch and looks super premium. It comes with this blooming flower design, which really looks very cool, especially when the light hits it. It's truly a very eye-catchy design. By the way, this is also going to be available in endurance brown color, so if you like something darker or chocolatey, you can consider that one. Having a closer look at the build and design, so right on the top here is the camera island with camera, and here is the pulse light. On the top here is a secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the other side here are the volume rockers and the power standby button. At the bottom is a single down-firing speaker, USB-C port, microphone, and a hybrid SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards or one nano SIM card along with an SD card for storage expansion. Alright, and finally it comes with a huge 7000 mAh battery, which Realme claims should last you for 2 and even 3 days if you're a light to a medium user. So that's really good. Now there are some limitations on what we can share. As of now, that's literally all we can share. This phone is launching soon. There's a full review coming next week, so make sure you subscribe for that one, because trust me, it's gonna be worth it. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below. Until next time, cheers.